bristle into the gels. And then load it on one side. Oh, that's cool though. And then keep it parallels. Not bad at all. I like it, kind of nice and light. Do the same thing for this. I'm back here, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna key it for a really quick, like, flash key about 30 seconds. And then we can repeat it. You can do with any other colors. It doesn't have to be just green. And just blend it to getting a pickup is evenly the gels. Really cool. It's perfect for all year long when you want to draw some cute flowers. Simple, really cute flowers with the petals. I think it's all 10 seconds. Happy Friday. Hope you are having a fabulous Friday and welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such live tutorial. Keep your bristle parallels. And repeat it again. Okay. Flash key it for also 30 seconds. I'm gonna blend. This was really cool. It's give you an opportunity. It's great for beginners who want to do some cute flower designs without really worry and stress about you can't get a perfect of, you know, painting and drawing. So give it the really easy. Oh, I'm gonna need this. I'm using a number 2, but number 1, 2, 3, 4, they all give you a different the patterns though. I'm gonna submerging. I'm using the brush number 4 to give it some line. The gel palette is perfect. It's just not runny at all. So I can able to like give it a little quick outline. Just move my hand. And you can continue. And finish it, the rest of them. I'm just like tracing it with the line of the flowers already has. It's perfect for beginner now because I'm not good at really painting, but this brush will give me ability of I can able to do some cute basics, cute fun flowers painting beside on the top of like, you know, sticker and chamfer foil you have, but sometimes it's fun to like drawing this, but then kind of give you ability of drawing some. And then we'll do on the other side. Go into new. And then flash gear. So a little bit. I kind of like this. It's painting it and like using it is really cool with the palettes. Okay, here. Flash gear 30 seconds.